Alright, so I don't know what Apple did to the world, but everyone seems to be going at Apple's neck right now. First, we had Microsoft with their crazy ads, Intel with their crazy ads going for Mac users. Now we have Samsung trying to sway iPhone users into buying Samsung devices. So as you can see, we have Samsung and official Samsung demo One UI running on my iPhone 12 Pro. It's buttery smooth, guys. You have the side cards, the Google search up top. This is insane. I'm getting notifications. Like, whoa, look at this. My kid, friends with kids. Look at that. I'm getting booty calls, butt dials, all that stuff. I don't know why I said booty calls, but I'm getting text messages from Logan. But yeah, it's basically just giving us that Samsung experience. So yeah, it's a crazy app that Samsung themselves actually made. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get it. Oh my god, hold on. I'm getting a call from Sam.
Hey, it's Sam.
Yo.
I just wanted to give you a quick call to say thanks for checking out the experience.
Yeah.
Many iPhone users think Android will be too different to what they're used to.
Okay.
But hopefully you found it intuitive and fun to use.
Yeah.
And who knows? Maybe we'll see you on the other side.
Oh, hey Sam. Oh, he's gone. Damn. Alright guys, so fun and jokes out the way. This is actually a Samsung official app called Samsung Test, and I'm just gonna delete this real quick to show you guys how you could actually install it. So it's like a web-based application. So you want to go to this website right here, itest.nz. Alright, and then it basically shows you step by step how to install it. So you just want to share the bookmark, so hit that share button. But what you want to do is hit add to home screen. So hit add to home screen, add, and then boom, we got that Samsung Test application. And basically you could just jump in here and yeah, you have the phone. So it gives you a little pop-up, a little walkthrough splash screen. Hit next, next again, let's go. Boom, now we're in. And as I said before, this works super smooth. You can't really use any applications. As you can see, if you open certain apps, it won't tell you. But for example, the camera app, it will go through a bunch of different tutorials. As you can see, it shows exactly what to do with different menus. So if you're not familiar with Samsung devices, this will definitely help you out. And each mode you click, it will give you some tutorials on how to use that specific mode. And that's what this guy is trying to help you out with right here. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. As I said before, Samsung is just trying to get people who own iPhones to switch over to a Samsung device, I guess. Wait, you thought we were done there? You could even change the themes. So you could go inside here, you could choose this theme, hit apply. I just said theme. See, it says applying theme, and it does it just like any like a real thing would. So that's just insane, right? Could go to this one right here, hit apply. The black oinks, this is super clean. I could make a clickbait title, my iPhone 12 Pro setup. So yes guys, let me know what you think about this down below in the comments. I think Samsung is really coming for next with this one, and I think other phone manufacturers should start doing this because it's a really fun experience. If you can't get to use a device, you could have that, you know, it's very intuitive. It works like any Samsung device is supposed to work. You could go into the Galaxy Store, browse different apps in the Galaxy Store. For example, Zoom. You can see it gives us a little. Imagine if you bought Zoom stock a couple years ago. It's just really fun. Like everything has something unique when you click on it. It's not just a couple blank stuff. You could go into the gallery, browse different pictures, scroll through just like it's a typical Samsung device, but nope, it's an iPhone. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm not sure if that was clickbait. If it was clickbait, I'm super sorry, but technically we do have Android running on our iPhone 12 Pro right here. But yeah, I just think it's really cool. Let me know what you think about this video down below in the comments, and also you could share this video with your friends or trick your friends, then share them this video. So I'll leave the link that you need to use down below in the description, guys. And don't forget, road to 100K. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, show some love. As always, love, peace. This was actually some tweaks, and yeah, signing out.